Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve customer service with Zillow Group easy tutorial step by step clearly. Enhancing your customer service using Zillow Group can be straightforward. Begin by creating a Zillow account if you don't already have one. Visit the Zillow Group website and click on the Join or Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal and business information. Make sure to verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage Listings section. Add or update your property listings to ensure accuracy. Include high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Next, familiarize yourself with the Reviews feature. Encourage your clients to leave reviews on your Zillow listings. Respond promptly to both positive and negative reviews. This interaction shows that you value feedback and are committed to improvement. Utilize the Zillow Premier Agent program if applicable. This program provides tools and insights to enhance your customer service skills. Attend any training sessions or webinars offered by Zillow Group. These resources can give you valuable tips on improving your services. Make use of Zillow's mobile app to stay connected with clients on the go. Check notifications regularly to respond to inquiries quickly. Leverage the messaging feature to communicate directly with potential buyers. Provide timely updates about market trends using Zillow's data tools. Share relevant information with clients to position yourself as a knowledgeable resource. Use the Zillow Offers feature if you're in the market for quick transactions. This can streamline the selling process for your clients. Monitor your performance metrics within the Zillow dashboard. These insights can help you identify areas for improvement. Consider joining local Zillow groups or forums for networking. Learning from fellow professionals can enhance your service strategies. Make continuous improvement a part of your business culture. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.